demonstrating 1 million backhoes built. This is where it all comes from. With Tom Ball's there and Jason Ball's first machine. Gallagher's first machine. This is great. 1 million backhoes that we've built over the world now. This is where we've come from. This is pretty special to be a part of and to celebrate this moment in history. They just keep coming. They just keep coming. Off we go. Lorry there from demonstration. Our Union Jack backhoe loader, of course. One of our engineers, Pat here, driving the 1CX. 3CX compact. Oh my god, get run over. The 70th edition here. And I better get back in my machine now. I'm holding everybody up. What a thing to be a part of. Just incredible.